I want to go over this trade, this GU buy that took place on Monday, May the 15th. So first, gotta do a little backstory. So let's take it to what happened last week on GU. So last week we had a nice multi-session M peak formation. The strategy I use is the market maker strategy. Shout out to Steve Morrow. Market maker strategy. So you identify your peaks and that determines where you're going at next with your trade. So our peak was here last Wednesday. Big structure. Now, after the peak, you normally get 3 levels. 3 levels could come over 3 days. 3 levels may come over 5 days. Sometimes you get 3 levels in one day. Now, how do you identify levels? You identify your levels based on consolidation and breaks above or below the consolidation level. So we had our peak Wednesday, May the 10th. Price falls off of the peak. Consolidation level here. Boom, break below. Normally, I would label this whole day level 1, but how the market unfolded over the next couple days, this really was 2 levels in one day. So we got our first break below this consolidation level here. There's level 1. Now, you got this is all consolidation here. Pull back, everything. This is all consolidation. Break below that, that's our level 2. And then we got another level consolidation here. And your break below that, which would be level 3. Now, after level 3, that's when you normally get the start of a new market maker cycle and your new peak formation. So this was Friday, and this was beginning of the week, Monday. Your peak is normally a multi-session M/W. And what do we have here? I traded London session, by the way. So by the time London started, price was already up in this area around 1.24800, 1.24700 range. So one key thing you always got to do, you got to see what price has been doing overnight during the Asian session, and do I believe it's going to be a pullback or not, or should I get in? So we already had 3 levels of drop over 2 days. We got our multi-session W already put in early Monday. So this is my peak in my eyes, and I knew it was a peak because it never broke below Friday's low of the day. It kept rejecting, and then this hammer was a telling sign for me because you don't get hammers all the time. So when you get a hammer, normally a hammer is the sign of a stop hunt. They hit stops, and the market usually shifts away at the hammer. So coming into London, I'm up here already, but I look back and saw all of this took place during the Asian session. And then you had a micro W here. So that lets me know that price would not be coming back below this level. So now I had to look for an entry during the London session. Wow, right in the middle of, okay, they want me to pay. All right, so now I need an entry beginning of London. So I need to look for the first pullback and a rejection after that. So, okay, this is where I entered the trade at. So this is all still late Asian session. You got to push below above the 50 moving average, 50 EMA, and then you got to pull back, slight pullback, nothing big, back towards the 50. It didn't even hit the 50, and then there's your rejection here. So that would have been an entry if this would have happened during London, but this happened about an hour before London. So by the time I got up around 2:50, 3 a.m. Price was hovering around this area, and I knew that price wasn't going back down. Whether it did or it didn't, my stop loss was going to be the same amount of pips either way. So I got in. No, actually, I must have got in before London. So my entry was actually at 1.24. I believe it was 85. 1.2485 or 1.2, no, I'm sorry, 1.24685 or 1.24690. I got the screenshots. I'm gonna put them on it. But my entry was somewhere around here. So yeah, I definitely caught it before London. I had to cheat a little bit. So I got in here, and this was the most stress-free trade I ever been in. It was really no type of drawdown. It was very slow. I could say I caught about 40 pips, 40 pips. My take profit target was really for 60, but it was taking so long, it dragged me all the way into the New York session. So I just decided to take my money off, take the trade off, and be happy. It was Monday, so it was a nice start to the week. And I got the screenshots, and they will be popping up soon. So it was a very simple trade, just a reversal back into level two. And yeah, smooth day on Monday. No stress at all, no type of drawdown, no crazy pullbacks, just a slow and steady rise. And you don't always get that. So grateful for that. Looking forward to having a great rest of the week. And I'll be back to update y'all just to let you know how my progress on how the rest of the week went for me. And I hope y'all have an amazing week as well. All we gotta do is just stay focused, stay dedicated, be patient, and the results are gonna show. So see y'all next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video.